In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a slideshow for products, photos, or testimonials on Squarespace. Start by opening your Squarespace website and heading into the site editor. From the left-hand menu, go to Pages, choose the page where you want the slideshow to appear, and enter Edit mode so you can make changes on the canvas. On the page, add a new section. When the section library opens, choose the Testimonials category. This gives you a layout that's already structured for rotating content, which works great for testimonials, featured products, or a photo showcase. Once the section is added, select Edit Content. Replace the placeholders with your own text and images. For testimonials, paste in the quote and add the person's name and role if you have it. For products or photos, use clear titles or short descriptions and upload high-quality images. Keep your copy concise so it looks clean in a slideshow format. Next, switch between the Content and Design panels as needed. The Content panel is where you manage what appears in each slide, your text, images, and any additional fields the layout supports. Now move to Design to choose how the slideshow behaves and looks. You'll see options like Banner Slideshow and Carousel. Banner Slideshow typically shows one slide at a time and is great for bold, full-width storytelling. Carousel shows multiple items in a row and is useful when you want viewers to scan several testimonials, products, or photos quickly. Try both to see which suits your page and content density best. You can toggle back and forth to compare before committing. Open the Style settings to fine-tune the details. Here you can adjust spacing, alignment, text size and color, image cropping, and slide controls. The highlighted controls you'll click through include options like enabling or disabling autoplay, setting the slide transition and speed, showing navigation arrows or dots, and choosing how images scale. Take a moment to preview after each tweak so you can confirm readability and balance on the page. When your content looks right and the motion feels smooth, not too fast, not too slow, click Save. That locks in your changes and publishes the updated section to your site. A few quick best practices as you wrap up. Use images with consistent aspect ratios so the slideshow doesn't jump in height. Compress images to keep loading quick, and keep testimonial text short to avoid truncation. Always check the page on mobile to confirm the slides are easy to read and navigate. With that, your Squarespace slideshow is ready to showcase your products,